Hey there guys, welcome back to another ration review, and today we have an American ration. Now this is a tailored operational training meal, or TOTM, also known as a totem, and these are just a compact version of an MRE, just like a training version, I guess. Just slight differences which we'll see in a few moments. So yeah, let's have a close look at it and then we'll try it out. All right, let's have a close look at it. And as you can already tell, comes in this see-through plastic bag. It is thick like the regular MREs. Also has the beautiful seal, just kind of hard to see. And we have tailored operational training meal. We have some soldiers training, train as we fight. Very nice. And this one was made by the Warnick Company. And here on the back, we have the menu, which is beef stew. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It is very lightweight and compact. So let's crack it open, see what's inside. All right, let's open it up. Do it the old school way with the beautiful seal. And we're in. And right off the bat, we have some chocolate chip cookies. That's awesome. We have some pretzels. Can't go wrong with pretzels. We have some candy toffee rolls or Tootsie Rolls. We have a long Canadian type of spoon and a napkin. A beverage-based powdered tropical punch. Not bad. We have an accessory packet, which we'll check out in a minute. We have a mango peach apple sauce with another postcard, which I'm starting to get a lot of those lately. And we have the standard US flameless ration heater. And our main entree, the beef stew. And we have some stuff on the back if you want to read it. We have a happy soldier right there. And that's it. Let's check out the accessory pack real quick. We have a coffee creamer, a moist towelette, salt and sugar. We have a taster's choice and some pepper. And we have a date code of the 197th day of 2018. So this is extremely fresh. And there we have the entire contents. And as you can already see, it's a really complete meal. We have a main entree, we have a dessert, we have a couple of snacks, even some candy, a couple of drinks. So yeah, for a training meal, this is pretty good. So let's begin. All right, so let's prepare the main entree. We have the flameless heater, so put two and two together. Here's our beef stew. Stick it in the pouch. Add water to the fill line. Yeah, perfect. And just rock it a little bit. And it is activated. If you can hear that, just close it up. And lean it on a rock or something. And we'll give that about 10 to 15 minutes. Let it cook. All right, let's prepare our drink. We have the beverage-based powdered tropical punch, and this is one of my favorites. It's nice and artificial with plenty of no fruit juice. Then we'll give it a stir. And there we have our tropical punch, nice and red. It does have a nice color to it, almost like, I don't know, blood. All right, here we go. Oh yeah. Yeah, that is exactly like tropical punch Kool-Aid. There's absolutely no difference. Obviously, it is extremely artificial, but it is really good. Now let's prepare our coffee. We have our taster's choice, or taster's nasty. We have our creamer or whitener. There we go. And our sugar. Give it a quick stir. And there's our coffee. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah. Now that is some really good MRE coffee. You really can't go wrong with it. All right, let's see what else we have. Let's open up the chocolate chip cookies. Check that out. Get rid of that. I wouldn't call them cookies, more like chocolate chip crumbs. We have a couple of complete cookies, and about 7 cookies made the trip, so we'll try one. Yeah, looks pretty good. Here we go. Not sure what's up with those cookies. They're a little bit stale, a little bit off. These should be, extremely fresh. Not sure what happened, but they are sweet, they are milky and chocolatey, nice and crunchy, but it just has that really weird aftertaste. Let's check out the pretzels. Let's try a couple. All right, here we go. The pretzels are kind of stale, so I'm not sure what's going on. I'm pretty sure this ration's from 2018, but I'm starting to have my doubts. So at this point, I'm not even sure, but let's move on. We have the candy toffee rolls or Tootsie Rolls. And you get a couple. There we have the Tootsie Roll. Looks the same after all these years. Nothing has changed. Same old Tootsie Roll. Let's give it a try. I am 100% sure that Tootsie Rolls can last forever. I've had 20-year-old Tootsie Rolls that were in perfect shape, and yeah, these are the same. Nothing wrong with them. I'm sure they'll last another 50, 100 years. And let's check out the mango peach applesauce. There it is. Let's see what it looks like. See if it's nice and dark or let's get it on the plate. And there we have our mango applesauce, and looks a little bit rough. I'm starting to think this TOTM is actually from 2008. Everything seems to point in that direction. And let's get a taste. Nice and fermented. All right, here we go. Yeah, that's not too bad. It's a little bit stale, but not as bad as the cookies or pretzels. Yeah, that's not too bad. It's a little bit sweet. Tastes a little bit like mango and a lot like apple. But yeah, managed to survive. It's all right, I guess. And if anyone out there is curious, this is a World War I mess kit. This is the lid. And there's the date, 1918. So yeah, it's still around after 100 years. All right, so it's time for the main entree. Not expecting much. Here's our beef stew. Yeah, it is nice and hot. Let's get it opened up. And there we have our beef stew. Looks a little bit rough. And we have some potatoes, we have some beef, carrots, looks like peas. Smells all right, I guess. Smells a little bit like, a lot of people like to say that it smells like dog food. Let's get a bite. Hopefully we suffer no ill effects. And there we have the beef stew. Looks a little bit rough. All right, here we go. Yeah, that is a little bit rough. The meat's a little bit weird. It's almost like it's processed, I would say, not like actual beef. And it does have a weird, aftertaste. So this is basically just canned beef stew, nothing extraordinary. The vegetables are somewhat tender, which is kind of odd. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was the TOTM, Tailored Operational Training Meal from 2008. Not 2018 like I suspected. I actually do have a couple of, I believe, 2018 TOTMs or 2017. I must have gotten them mixed up. Yeah, this one was just as you expected from a 11-year-old Rations, a little bit rough around the edges. But yeah, what more can you expect? And if you enjoyed the video, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe. And make sure you subscribe to Renee. She actually made that rock or something. She has her own YouTube channel with a bunch of MRE videos and ration videos, so make sure you check her out. Yeah, just want to give a huge shout out to all my patrons, Marilyn, Chris, Jason, the rest of you guys. Thanks a lot for your support, and as always, thank you guys for watching. See you soon.